Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the best money making apps. Yes, in this year 2024, you had me right. This app has been here for a long time, but right now they have improved, added more different ways that you can use to earn more money. Yes, this app is a app that you can install and you money passively if you want. But if you want, you can add in other things that I'm going to show you in this video so that you can get paid more and you can earn more so that you can multiply your income. And please, if you are new to this channel, my name is Gloria, and on this YouTube channel I talk about different ways on how to earn money online. Yes, so if that's what you are looking for, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, click that bell notification so that anytime I post something new, you'll be the first one to get notified. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to comment in the comment section below if this app I really talked about, you've used it and it has worked for you, so that we can encourage others. So let's get into the video. Guys, this is the app I was talking about. It's called the Pawns app. Yes, it's called the Pawns app. It has been here for a long time, but what I like about it is that this year they have improved. And yes, who doesn't like improvement? Every time they are improving. So this is the Pawns app, and this is their website. But you can also still find it on your phone in the app store or in the play store. As you can see here, get the Pawns app if you scan this QR code. But don't worry, I will leave the link in the description below so that when you join, you can start with money. When you join, they will give you a bonus that you can start with when you use my link here. So this is the website and this is how it looks like. But let us go through the website step by step. Yes, as you can see, this is the Pawns app and this is their home page. So this is what is said about the app, and I have used it and I'm still using it. Yes, it says they have a 4.5 review on Trustpilot, and that makes it a good thing for them. Yes, and they have received these awards on Trustpilot, so that makes you know and be sure that it's a trusted app. It's not a fake one, because there are so many fake apps, right? So many fake apps there. Yes, but this is the right thing for you. Yes, and on this channel I talk about the true things that have really worked for me, and I want them to work for you. Yes, I want them to work for you. I'll talk about something that I'm using. So this is their home page, and they say one app, many ways to earn. Yes, so these are the many ways that you can earn from this app. Share your opinion in daily surveys. That's why I told you that they have added other things like like doing surveys daily. Doing surveys daily, it was not there before, but they have added it. Yes, complete daily quest, like there is a wheel that you can spin on a daily basis. You can earn either dollars or you can either earn points. On those points, they will be added to your account, and when you are cashing out, they will be counted. Yes, also another way they have that has been there when this app was starting was selling your unused bandwidth for 100% passive income. That's what I was talking about in the first years. When you download this app, if you were like, I don't want to do surveys, I don't want to do the daily spins, I don't want to stress myself, then you can just install this app as it's stated here. That's how I started. I downloaded this app and I was sharing my unused internet. Yes, and by doing that, you get paid for sharing it. Yes, you get paid for sharing it, and that money comes into your account and it helps you. But another thing that I've really liked, that they have improved and added other things. They are telling you can download this app either if you want it for Windows or for your phone. But I'm going to tell you the reason why this app is more better when you are using it on your phone. Yes, so if you stick around up to the end, I'll be telling you why. So this is their own page. If you want, let us scroll down and you see how it really works. So this you can earn by sharing your internet, paid surveys. There are also rewards you can get from, but I've already talked about that. Yes, I have already talked about that. So this is how the website really looks like. and these are the companies that they are really recognized in, the companies that they have really worked with, and those companies are really satisfied. Yes, it says here 4 million people earned additional money. Yes, 4 million people, that's a good number that people have earned so far, which means a trusted app, because if people are using it much, that means it's a good thing. Yes, but if people are not using it, then that would mean it's a bad app. But people are using it. 4 million people have cashed out. Yes, and this is a 3.8 millions paid out to users in 2023, and we just completed that year. We are now just into 24 years. So they are telling you how you can boost your earnings with looking for more benefits. We got you. Invite a friend and earn $3 for each referral. Yes. I'm telling you, so that if you join through my link, you get that $3 instantly. What a way to start. Yes, you start with $3 already. Yes, you start with $3 already in your account. So I will leave the link in my description below. If you feel like this is what you want and you want to try it, you can go ahead, use that link and join, and you'll get that $3 bonus. Yes, starting instantly. Another way you can join, you can also refer to a friend using your link. Yes, or you can send them the QR code, they scan it, or sending them a unique video. It depends on the way you want to share, but I also included that because also if you share, that's doing affiliate marketing, and that will also boost your earnings. People will earn more, and you will also earn. Yes, you also earn. So these are also the ways that you can get paid. If you've been wondering, if I get my money, how am I going to get paid? You can get paid via PayPal, Bitcoin. If you are that kind of person or guy who is into cryptocurrency, they got your back. You can get paid via Bitcoin, Amazon gift cards, Google Play Store, and so many other different gift cards, up to 70 of them. Yes, up to 70 of them. I'll only show you these ones. Yes, because I don't want this video to get longer. Yes, and those are so many ways that you can use to cash out your money. Yes, they are also telling you here that 2 million people have downloaded this app. Yes, doing the using the Google Play Store. Yes, so this show you that this is a good app and you can really try it for you. I've also been trying their surveys. Yes, as I told you, they are paying you this time around to answer surveys, and their paid surveys are good because their paid surveys are paying more. Yes, they are paying more than other survey sites. They are paying at least a good amount of money, yes, for doing these surveys. And the thing I wanted to tell you before I finish this video, so that if you want to make money by answering surveys, you can download the app on your phone. The survey part is not included if you download the app on your laptop or computer. So if you want to do surveys, you can download the app on your phone, or yes, or if you have Apple Store, they have it. If you have Google Play Store, that's Android, they have it. So you can download it on your phone and start answering surveys. Yes, start answering surveys. Another thing that they also have, that they do daily, when you go read their blog, when you are in the app, they'll also give you points and credits. Yes, if you read the app, if you go read their blog, they will give you money, yes, for reading their blog. And this is the wheel spinning I was talking about. When you spin this wheel, you also get paid. If you spin and you are lucky, it's like a wheel you spin, you get $5, $1, or you can get tickets to enter into a quest, or you can earn points which can be added to your account. So it depends on which way you want it. Yes, it depends on which way you want it. uh, and if this is what you really want or you are looking for, please don't forget to use the link in my description below. You'll be earning $3 right away, instantly, for joining this app. Yes, thank you for watching up to the end. Don't forget to go try out this app, download it, and thank you for those of you who are coming back and watching these videos, for supporting this channel. God bless you. Yes. And if you've really used this Pawns app and it helped you, please don't forget to leave the comment in the comment section below so that others can know and get encouraged and know what I'm talking about is true. Let us encourage each other. God bless you. See you next time.